What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be releasing... What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be showcasing our brand new RS spoiler for the WRX VB chassis. Before I get started, let me show you guys the product, the instructions, how to put this on, and as well as the hardware provided for it. Before we move forward, let me show you guys the old wing we have here. This is the V3.5 or our V3 STI wing. It's probably one of the most popular spoiler options for the VB WRX. We sold a couple thousand of these easily. With this spoiler, people that want to upgrade to a different spoiler, you have the holes, right? So it's really hard to upgrade without getting a new trunk or covering the holes when you put duckbill on. So now we released this new spoiler, which is amazing. Actually, I'll just show you guys. Here it is, guys. This is the new RS spoiler. This is a direct replacement for the V3 STI wing. So this applies to anything after July of 2024. So if you purchase any V3 wing after that date, this will bolt directly on. Another thing is this is a base model here. You don't have the holes here. So with the premium plus models, you have the little tiny spoiler. When you remove it, there'll be holes. So for this video, we'll showcase only on the base model. So with the holes, it'll be all covered with the new RS wing. So this is a full direct bolt on, and without the holes, you get the stickers, which we'll show you in another video with the installation with the spoiler. So this will be kind of like the base model one, but essentially it's the same product and same way you install. Because also there's already a wing on this car, we're gonna be taking it off and swapping it on directly to show you guys. And we'll come out with another video to showcase how to fully install this. So if you don't have a wing yet and you want to upgrade to the RS wing, you can buy it directly, and we'll show you the template how to do it in another video. And let's say later down the road you want to swap out your RS wing for STI wing, you can do both. So interchangeable, super nice. Let's get to specs. So this RS wing, it was inspired from the 04-05 STIs. As you can see, it has a more squarish look. This actually suits the car pretty nice. I love the V3 wings. We even have an our giveaway car as well as our WRX, but this is a game changer. It's gonna look crazy, guys. So in the wing, it'll come pre-assembled like this. So unlike the old V3 wings, you have to assemble everything. This is all pre-assembled already. It even comes with the gasket pre-installed already, so you're ready to go. You'll get the template. You'll get a 3mm Allen key, as well as the hardware. So in the hardware, it's super straightforward. You get 4 studs, 25mm, and you have 2 20mm and 2 spacers. And that's pretty much it on other washers and the template. So to install this today, we don't need to use a template. We don't need to draw anything because everything's pre-drilled already. If you don't have the AFD V3, you have some other wing, the RS wing will cover it regardless. So you don't have to worry about it. Make sure you just plug those holes. So let's get started, guys. By the way, base model, you don't have that. It's been a while, By the way, this is, since this video is dropping, we already released this wing on Instagram and our other social media platforms. So the pre-order is live, but only limited to 10 units per color. So get your pre-orders in. I think most of them are sold out already, but if there's available, you can catch the next pre-order. So let's get started. So the wing, the new RS wing is about 5 inches wider. A lot of people complain about the V3 STI wing looking a little too narrow, so we made this just wide enough, especially if you run our fender flares 10mm wider. This looks perfect. By the time you see this video, I'm sure you'll see Steven's car. If not, I'll drop the link below. He has the red version with all the color matching. It looks crazy. Alright, boys and girls, for the V3 wings, customer already did all the 3 holes. If you don't have a wing, like I said, this video, we'll drop another video where we do a full installation. So this is just for the guys that already have the V3 wing, but essentially the same idea. So let's go ahead and take off the 10mm bolts. Alright, I'm gonna have you do this. I don't want to drop the bolt. Alright guys, Jerry is gonna take over because Jerry has more steady hands than I do. And this Tony working on alignment right now. By the way, this VB also picked up our old GT4 wheels that we picked up off our VB. He's on stock suspension, 18, 9.5 plus 22 offset with a 265/35 tire. So it does poke a little bit on stock suspension. So if he lowers the car, it'll look much better. But dude, the color combination is crazy. Like I said, with the RS spoiler, it's gonna change up the rear end. Some people might like it, some people might not. So it really depends on your preference. But like I said, this is a new spoiler, and everyone's gonna want this. And also for the Galaxy Purple guys, this will be available as well as the color matching and all the parts that are coming out. All right, guys, just like that, the V3 wing is off. Let me compare for you guys how much wider this is compared to the STI wing. Just by putting side by side, as you can tell, it's much wider. If you guys want the specs, Jerry, you wanna hold that side? The wing from the passenger to the driver's side is about 47 inches, and this is about 52. So 47 minus 52 gives you the grand total of 5 inches. So about 2.5 inches wider on each side. It is gonna make a big difference, especially when you guys look at it from every angle of the car. Let's go ahead and mount the new RS wing on. Mounting the RS wing is gonna be a little bit different compared to the version 3 wing. So now you guys have these studs. So all I gotta do is mount the studs in, drop the bolt, go ahead, mount these studs. Make sure for the outside too, you use the 25 millimeter and the 20 millimeter on the side. So make sure to put the shorter one on the outer edge and the longer ones on the inner two. Just put the studs in, do about 5-6 turns. You don't need to go all the way through, just make sure it's tight enough. Right hand, feel solid. Just like I'm doing so. You don't need to keep cranking. I know a lot of guys love cranking this stuff all the way down. Don't do it. Okay, just 5-6 spins, good enough, and then we're good to go. Okay. Next step, this is the fun part, guys. You literally just slap it on top through the V3 holes that you made, using your existing holes. You might be able to pull it in a little bit if you need to. And there you go, guys, just like that. Once it's in, then from the bottom, we use the washer, crush washer, and your nut, and tighten everything up. On the inside, everything should line up as is. I'm gonna take my gloves off because I don't want the washer to drop. So in order, you put the washer, crush washer, and the nut, okay? Make sure just tighten up, don't tighten everything until you put all 6 in. Once you fish through all the washers and your nuts, just tighten it down. Once you get to the bottom too, make sure you have extension 10 millimeter to tighten those, and then we're good to go. Make sure you put all the clips in. The RS spoiler is on. As you can see, there's no gaps all around. It's a little dirty. Let me wipe this down later. But even from the back right here, a lot of people are concerned about the gap right here. For here, everything's covered. Even on the limited models where there's holes, you'll apply the little decal that will cover all the holes from water getting in. Of course, you have the weather seal that's already provided on the spoiler. As you can see, guys, the fitment is superb. It looks much, much wider from the back. I know a lot of you guys are requesting the side angle. Jerry, guys, from the side angle, if you're on the side. Now the RS spoiler is much more square, kind of fit for the car. So it really depends what you guys are looking for. Some people prefer the V3 wing, but you can always swap out for the RS wing. This is the RS wing installation for the V3 replacements. We will be coming out with the full installation for those guys that are wanting to install a brand new RS wing. But essentially it's the same as the V3 wing, just a little bit different hardware. But yeah, guys, which one do you guys prefer? The V3 wing or the RS wing? Let me know in the comments if you're interested in the wing. Check the pre-order link below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.